Hey guys, if you have Lexus X350 or 250, 22 and up, this 23, you want to take the bumper off, the rear bumper. What you got to do is first remove this bracket right here. I believe this one's for this one. So you just pry it, and that's what it looks like right in the back. These clips. It's sitting in here. Make sure you don't break them. Once you pry that, then you have a 10mm bolt. Remove from here, one here. Also on this side, one here. And on both sides, you have this flare right here. You have two clips, one right here, small one, and one on the bottom. When you look at the flare, whatever you want to call this, it's like this. One on top, one on the bottom, the big one, small. Once you remove the clips, you can pry this, but this one careful so you don't break it. What I like to do is just pry it and then put something thin so it presses on this and then comes off. Press, comes off, and that carefully comes out, just like this on clips. Once you remove that, you also have a clip right here. Clip right here. It's gonna be same thing on the other side. And clip right on in here. Once you remove this clip, you have a 10mm bolt or screw right in there. Once you remove that, you also have another clip that's underneath here, right there. One on each side. I took one off. Not sure if you have to. Maybe it's part of the bumper. But also don't forget there's another clip if you need to. I took mine off. It's connected to something, but I'm not sure if it actually connects to the bumper or the other. It could be just to the bumper, but there's another one right here, so don't forget if it's not coming out. You have 4 clips right underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same thing on the other side, the exact same thing. Once you're done with that, you start prying right here. When you pry it, it pops out. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and that's starting to come off. Just carefully, 2 people or 1, just carefully. And then what you have next is there's gonna be 2 plugs for the sensors. You'll see them once it's inside. When you're here, don't forget to unhook these 2 plugs. 1, 2. When you unplug them, then the bumper comes off. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.